Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel basically talks about Facebook ads, Instagram ads. We talk about business generally, but we focus on advertising and everything that can help you grow your business online. So welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Shola and a lot of people call me BizLift. Thank you so much. If you are just seeing this YouTube channel for the very first time, welcome to this YouTube channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's good to have you right here. So today I want to talk about something very controversial, something that is starting to happen a whole lot right now. And I mean, this is really funny because I see a lot of people now having this particular thing, and I'm wondering like, hey, what's happening? What's happening? What exactly am I talking about? I'm talking about the verification badge, the Instagram verification badge and the Facebook verification badge. Now, the verification badge is causing a lot of chaos right now for a lot of business owners, and I've been getting a lot of DMs like, what about this verification badge? How can I get it? Let me not be the last person. No, please. I don't want to, I mean, some vendors are already seeing it as if I don't get this verification badge, before they will start thinking I'm not a legit vendor. A lot of things going on about the verification badge. So this video is dedicated to the Instagram verification badge and Facebook verification badge. I mean, the same thing works for both platforms, but I'm going to be focusing on Instagram and I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about the verification badge. I'm going to be telling you about it. So stick to the end of this video because I'm going to be talking about the verification badge, how you can do it, what you need to know about it, and everything that is involved. I'm going to be sharing all the details right here. You know how we do it on this YouTube channel. We say everything the way it is. We like give it to you straight. Okay, so let's go straight into it. Now, the Instagram verification badge is something that actually separates your account from every other account. So, I mean, we've seen verification badge. I mean, years before, we've seen verification badge as something that it is for notable people, popular people, public figures, and big people, Now, Instagram has created another type of verification, right? Now, the one I just mentioned is the popular one, which Instagram, they verify you based on what you have out there. So that's based on your publications, what are people saying about you online and all those things. So, a lot of people, what they do is that they basically gather all the publications that is online about them, whether it's on Punch, Guardian, all the newspapers, all the media houses. So they gather a lot of publications. You see people pay a lot for this, right? I was going to do this same thing a few years back, do a lot of publication within a year, then gather all the publication. This publication costs a lot of money actually, gather all the publication and then I can submit that to Instagram to verify me. Okay, that is not paid. That is me having the Instagram badge, the normal one, right? That's the normal one that everybody knows. Now, the new one that Instagram is rolling out, or Instagram has rolled out already to Nigeria, is the subscribed or the subscription verification. Forget about the name. The subscription verification is the new one that you pay a certain amount of money and then you get the verification badge, right? So that, you pay between, I think, about 6,000 to about 8,000 naira, depending on what is showing on your account. You pay about 6,000 naira monthly. It's a monthly fee. So you keep paying that every month to keep the verification badge. Now, this is the one that a lot of vendors are doing, a lot of business owners, a lot of public figures are doing right now. Because the other type of verification takes a longer period. It takes a long time and you can get declined. But this one, you pay your money and you get verified. So now, what is the difference between these two verifications? For me, I don't see any difference between the two. I've not seen anybody that on their verification badge they will write subscribe verification or the badge is going to be green instead of blue. So it's still the blue tick. It's the blue tick, nothing more, nothing less. It's the blue tick. Now, some people will probably wonder, what is the benefit of this verification? What's the advantage of being verified? What do I get from it? Number one, you get your account protected, right? So your account cannot easily just get, disabled or easily just get hacked like that. In case of things like that, you can easily reach out to Meta support group and they can help you to rectify whatever issue it is you have with your account. So one of the benefits of the verification is that you have good, you're able to reach their support team faster, right? That's one. The second benefit you have is that you get increased engagement. I mean, that's what they said, but I don't think I've seen any increased engagement. But the second benefit they say they have is that you get increased engagement on your page, right? So that's the second benefit you have. The third one is, of course, you know it makes you seem legit. In Nigeria here, that you're verified makes you seem very legit, makes you seem like a big person online. That brother, he has verification. That sister, our page is verified. They play. But actually, you get my point exactly. How can I get this verification? What do I need to get this verification? What must I have? What are the requirements for this verification? Number one, please listen to this part closely. Number one requirement is that you need a valid ID card, a valid government ID card. When I say government ID card, either your driver's license, your international passport, or you can use your voter's card. These three are the ones that will work for you if you're in Nigeria and you're watching this video right now. These three means of identification will work for you. Now, I used my international passport for my own. I used my international passport and it worked straight away. So if you have an international passport, good, you can try to use that. That's the first thing. The second thing that you need to do is that you need to, you need to have your page edited to your name. I'm going to show you that right on my phone screen right now. I'm going to show you that, but in a minute, I'll show you that. You need to have your profile name as your real name. Your real name, it must match the name that is on the ID card that you intend to use. They must be the same. That's the second thing. The third thing that you need to have is that you need a dollar card to make the payment. They are not going to charge your Naira card. Remember that our Naira cards are not working online. They're not working for any payment online. Even Facebook payment or advert payment, they're not working. So you need a dollar card that can work or that can be charged for this. Now, you can try every other virtual dollar card that you have and see if it works. But for me, I used my Access Bank dollar card. So I have an account, I have a domiciliary account with Access Bank, and then I'm not doing advert for Access Bank, please, even though I mentioned their name. But anyway, you get the point. So the dollar card, the domiciliary card, I collected a dollar card from it, and that's what I use for all my payments, my iTunes, everything. That's what I use for all my payments, even Facebook ads and all that. So that card is what is going to be charged every month for your Meta verification, whether it's Facebook or Instagram. So let's go over to my screen and then let me show you everything that you need to do and how you can get this verification. Let's go over to my phone, right? So I'm using somebody's account. The name of the person is Betty's Couture. By the way, shout out to Betty's Couture. You can check her out on Instagram. She makes lovely ready to wear and she's based in Lagos. Lovely ready to wear. I mean, amazing designs. Please follow her on Instagram and also send her a DM to get ready to wear if you're watching this right now. Okay, so let's go to our page. Now, the first thing that I said you need to do is to edit your profile to your name. So click on edit profile. Now, you see where it says name, this top where she put Fashion Academy in Surulere, all those things, you cannot have it again. If you're going to be verified by Meta with the subscription, you can't have it. So that name is going to be your real name. So whether your name is, for example, my name is Adeyemi Adeshola, that name must be there. If you check my Instagram account, you see that my real name is what is there. That name must be there. That's the first thing you need to do. Now, once you have done that, all you need to do is to, now let's go ahead and do the Meta verification. Just come here, click the three lines, the hamburger sign, and then come, you can see, I've not even clicked on anything. You can see it here, Meta verified is under it. Now, for some people, it can be in different places. Depending on your account, it can be in different places. Now, let me tell you the places where you can find it. Now, you can see our own is here, Meta verified. You can see it here. So, you can see it, a verified badge. You can see increased account protection that I told you about. So, you see, no more impersonation, no more somebody's trying to impersonate me. No, you can easily tell people that if you see the account that is not verified with the blue tick, then this is not me. Do you understand? So it helps you to reduce, in fact, to stop impersonation. Nobody can impersonate you because you have a verified badge, okay? So look at it here. So just click next and then follow the prompt. It's very easy. Just follow the prompt, okay? Now, the other place you can see it again is when you come to settings and privacy, come to account center. If you scroll down, you will see it again, Meta verified. So these are the two places where you can find it. Now, sometimes also, if you come to edit profile, you can see it sometimes down. You can see it here down. Sign up for Meta verified. Can you see it? So these are the three places where you can find the Meta verified sign up link. These are the three places where you can find them. So please check your account if you are eligible. If you cannot see it, then it means that it has not been rolled to your account. You are not eligible yet. But once you see it, it means you are eligible and you can be verified, regardless of the number of followers you have. Funny thing is, I've seen people with 500 followers, 1,000 followers, and they are verified. So right now, verification is not really about, oh, I'm big, I'm popular, oh, I have plenty followers. No, verification is now about protecting your account, stopping impersonation. And I think it makes a lot of sense if that is why we are trying to be verified. Really, it makes a lot of sense. So nobody can impersonate anybody. But the downside to it is that everybody is going to be verified. Everybody. But where we are going to know the people that have money and the people that don't have money is when it's time to renew the verification. Let's see. So immediately that you see that my verified badge has disappeared, just know that Sakpa has entered. I'm sorry. I'm trying not to be funny, but I'm just saying the truth right here. So once you see that the verification badge has disappeared from somebody's account, just know that it's not the person's fault. The person cannot afford to continue paying. Okay? So thank you so much. I'm sure you've learned something from this video. Please tag a lot of people to see this video if this video makes a lot of sense for you. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find the videos that I share helpful to you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. And I'm going to see you in the next YouTube video. Thank you and bye.